Hello, my Kandor crafters. You guys already know that I love to jump right into the video, but today I just wanted to say thank you to all of my subscribers. I'm almost at 1,000, and I just personally want to thank each and every one of you. It truly means so much to me, so thank you for that. Now, without further ado, let's get into the video. I got so many questions about this box for my dominoes and the stickers that I use for the dominoes. So I'm just going to demonstrate how I made the stickers and the decal for the box. Again, I got this box from the Dollar Tree. I got it from the Dollar Tree in the cosmetics aisle. And it is about 4.5 by 4.5 inches. Now for the decals, I literally just went on Google, did a Google search, and saved some Ravens logos, then downloaded them to Design Space. I just want to note that I made this video before I truly knew about the contour tool and how to use it. So the slice method is a bit outdated, but it still gets the job done. Now for the stickers. All I did was resize the bird to 1.8 inches in width because the length of the dominoes are 2 inches. So 1.8 is perfect. Then I duplicated the bird 24 times. Well, not 24 times, but you get what I'm saying. I had 24 copies of it because that's how many come in the set, of course. Then I sent it to my printer. And for those of you who may not know, the Cricut machine does not print. To use the print and cut feature, you need to have a printer. I have an inkjet printer, and I literally got it for $90 on Amazon. The paper I used was the Cricut brand printable vinyl, and after my printer printed out on the vinyl, I just cut it with my Cricut machine. And boom, you have stickers that you can put on your dominoes. Again, this is pre-knowledge of the contour tool. Instead of just contouring, I did the long way and just cleaned the image. I erased everything except for the outline of the ravens and just saved it like that. So when I went to cut, I would have just the regular image itself, and then I would have the ravens outline as well in gold. And it worked. It did. But you know what works better? The contour tool. And for those of you who were like me and would sleep on the contour tool and don't know what it is or how to use it, it hides different parts of your images that you don't want to cut at that time. If you would like to see it in action, go ahead and watch my flower wall tutorial. You're not doing anything else anyway. I say again, I got this box from the Dollar Tree in the cosmetics aisle. The size of the box is 4.5 by 4.5. For the decal, I did 4.3 inches in width. And yeah, if this video has helped you in any kind of way, give it a thumbs up. I hope to get it at 10K views like y'all did my Dominoes video. Like, shout out to y'all. Thank you. And if you aren't subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead and smash that button. I know you want to. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Until next time, my Kandor crafters.